The Google Pixel 7a should arrive at Google I/O 2023 the following week, but in traditional Google trends, it seems the phone is already available. We shouldn't be too shocked, however, given how often this occurred. There are already two significant videos available: a complete hands-on video from YouTuber Munchie and a comprehensive dissection of the phone by RB Previews. At the absolute least, this means we can get an early look at the mid-range Pixel ahead of time. In both videos, different aspects of the phone are shown. In a hands-on video by Munchie, it was noticed that the Pixel 7a looks to be more polished than the Pixel 6a, with the display resting flat with the frame. The device has a 6.1-inch screen with a noticeable bezel, although it seems to have a 90 Hz refresh rate. You can manually switch the refresh rate as the screen doesn't allow adaptive refresh rates, thus it won't change when the whole 90 Hz isn't needed and might perhaps save some battery. The Pixel 7a in the video, as anticipated, is powered by the Tensor G2 chipset and has 8 GB of RAM, an increase over the Pixel 6a's 6 GB. The smartphone still has the in-display fingerprint scanner from the previous year. Munchie claims that the camera bar on the rear of the phone doesn't stick out excessively and that the camera module of the Pixel 7a is modeled like the Pixel 7. In Munchie's video, the phone claims to have a 4300 mAh battery, however a teardown by PB Previews shows that the battery pack itself specifies the capacity as 4385 mAh and 4344 mAh. This raises some questions about the battery's reliability. It's a little weird that 3 different statistics are mentioned, and we may have to wait for Google to explain. The Pixel 7a is said to enable charging rates between 18 watt and 20 watt through a connected connection. However, wireless charging is only capable of 5 watt, according to the hands-on video. The Pixel Stand, a specialized wireless charger, should be able to provide somewhat better rates despite the fact that this wireless charging speed is relatively modest. Reverse wireless charging is not available on the phone, however, owing to the slow wireless charging speed. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.